How to deactivate Omnipod 5 and current pod session safely. How to deactivate Omnipod 5. Using the Omnipod 5 app or PDM. Personal Diabetes Manager. Open the Omnipod 5 app or PDM. Navigate to the Pod Management section. Tap Menu. Select Pod Info or Pod Management. Tap View Pod Details. Select Change Pod. Tap Deactivate Pod. Confirm the deactivation. The system will take a few seconds to deactivate the pod, and you should receive a confirmation message or beep indicating successful deactivation. Removing the pod. After deactivation confirmation, gently lift the edges of the adhesive tape from your skin. Remove the pod slowly to minimize skin irritation. Clean the site with soap and water or an adhesive remover if needed. Dispose of the pod according to local waste regulations. Important notes. Do not apply a new pod until the old pod is fully deactivated and removed to avoid insulin overdelivery and hypoglycemia risk. The Omnipod 5 system includes a pod shut-off feature that deactivates the pod if there's no interaction with the app for a set period. To disable this feature, go to Menu Settings, Reminders, Pod Shut-Off Off.